Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician, and in this video I will be telling you the do's and don'ts of Paula's Choice. Basically what you do whilst using Paula's Choice and what you do not do with Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. This is a salicylic acid exfoliant, and if you do not know, salicylic acid is amazing for people with acne prone skin, people with oily skin, because salicylic acid is that acid that goes into the pores and eats up the bacteria that causes us to break out, the bacteria that clogs the pores, leading to blackheads, pimples and all that gunk. So salicylic acid really goes in and does a good job. And salicylic acid is, I think, about the only acid that is able to penetrate into the hair follicles, penetrate into the skin, and do this job, eat up all the dirt, because it is oil soluble. So I've done a video on Paula's Choice, on how to use Paula's Choice, this liquid exfoliants. I've done a video on that and I got a lot of comments and everything. I'm going to be honest, this is my go-to exfoliant. This is about the only exfoliant that I use on my skin because I've got oily skin, and whenever I notice my skin is congested, I opt for it, and it just unclogs my pores basically. But I find out that a lot of people do not know how to use this. It's so funny. When I hear the way people use this, it's very shocking and very concerning. So first of all, with every exfoliant, you do not use it every single day. I see people use this every day, morning and night. That I can't even get my head around that one. I see people use it every single day. It's a no-no. If you use it every single day, you find out that your skin will be, yes, it will look glowy, but it would be quite dry, it will be quite sensitized. And then if you suffer hyperpigmentation, or if you're prone to hyperpigmentation, you notice that your hyperpigmentation is getting worse, and it's because this makes the skin very sensitive, and any exposure to the sun triggers the hyperpigmentation. So you do not use this every single day. The most you can use it is 2 or 3 times a week. 2 or 3 times a week, depending on the condition of your skin, and to be used on oily skin. If you have dry skin, this is not for you. There's no acne, there's nothing for this to work on, so this is not suitable for you. You can opt for AHAs. AHAs are amazing because they are equally hydrating. So for this one, stay clear if you have dry skin. So like I said, this is to be used maximum 3 days a week. That is if your skin is really congested. But if you use this every day, just not the best. And I'm sure you'd even notice it if you're in that category of people who use it daily. So don't use it daily. It's not for daily use. When you use it properly, you see great improvement on your skin, because what this does is that, because it's exfoliating, it's taking off dead skin cells, and when you do something too much, then it has a reverse effect. Do you understand? So when you over exfoliate, what happens in turn, the skin is now prone to all sorts. You get blemishes, your skin will dry out faster because there is no barrier protection. That's why you don't use it every single day, and worst of using it in the daytime. So the right time to use this is at night. Then when you wake up in the morning, what you do is, after doing your skincare routine, ensure you wear broad spectrum SPF, because this causes the skin to be photosensitive, meaning that you'll be more prone to the harmful rays of the sun, so you'll be more prone to hyperpigmentation, even premature wrinkling. So there are different ways to use this. You can put some on your palm, like so. You can put some on your palm and pat it on your face, all over your face, or you can put it on a cotton pad and then gently swipe your face. Personally, I like to put it on pads to swipe my face. That's the way it works for me. And I haven't used this for quite a while now because I recently did a chemical peel, so I stain cleared this. Maybe I'll use it in the nearest future, but for now I won't use it. So if you recently did a chemical peel, please don't use this yet. get clearance from your esthetician or your doctor, whoever carried out the procedure. Get clearance from them before using it. And how you want to use this is by, after cleansing your face. I have a video for this already. I'll be sure to link it in the description box below. So, but how you want to use this is by cleansing your face with your cleanser, then dry your face and proceed to using this. After, give it some time for the skin to fully absorb it. I mean, your face is not going to be very dry. Your face is going to be a bit glowy because it leaves your skin glowy in a nutshell. After using it, ensure you follow up with a moisturizer. Don't end there. And I see a lot of people in my comment section in the video I did saying oh, do they wash, asking if they can wash it off, or they wash it off after 5 minutes. It is a leave on. It clearly states it here that it's a leave on exfoliant, so meaning that you do not wash it off. So it's a leave on exfoliant, do not wash it off. And even though it says daytime, follow with sunscreen, I'm going to be very honest with you guys, there's no point risking it and using this in the daytime. But if you must use it in the daytime, follow up with a sunscreen. And even if you use it at nighttime, follow up with broad spectrum SPF. So once again, let me reiterate what I said, the points. This exfoliant is strictly for oily skin. So people with breakouts, acne prone skin, blemishes, this is for you because of the salicylic acid. This is not for people with dry skin. This is not for people with sensitive skin. This is to be used maximum 3 days a week. This is not to be used every single day. Talk more of morning and night. It's a no-no. It's not to be used every day. So do not use this Paula's Choice alongside other actives. For example, vitamin C, retinol. Retinol is vitamin A, or other antioxidants. You need to be very, very careful when using this, because if you mix it with other actives, it might just irritate your skin. So you want to be gentle on your skin, no matter how tough you think your skin is. Just use this all by itself. Say you can use this in the night by itself, in the morning you can use other actives. Never pair this with other actives, because you may end up ruining your skin, or you may end up irritating your skin. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below, and if you have any suggestions, let me know as well in the comment section below. And if you've got any questions, drop them and I'll do my best to answer them. With all that being said, I will catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.